8 Uses and benefits of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a product that's widely used around the world because it has many benefits for the body, in addition to being a useful cleaning product for your home. It contains over 30 important nutrients, high levels of vitamins A and B, essential fatty acids, minerals, and many other elements that are responsible for improving the body's overall performance and fighting numerous diseases. Since ancient times, small amounts of apple cider vinegar have been used to alleviate many ailments, fight disease, and detoxify the body. Over the years, studies have shown that apple cider vinegar boasts several other beneficial properties, including balancing the body's metabolism, aiding in skin care, fighting allergies, relieving respiratory diseases, and more. You have probably already heard of apple cider vinegar, but we bet you didn't know all the benefits it could have for your health. Want to know more about some of its great uses and benefits? Digestive problems. Apple cider vinegar has properties that increase the body's enzyme production, and this in turn promotes the destruction of harmful bacteria, and the regulation of stomach acids. Apple cider vinegar is ideal for digestive problems like gas, cramps, and constipation, and generally helps maintain proper functioning of the digestive system. It's recommended to consume a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar a half hour before each meal. Weight loss. Over the years, apple cider vinegar has been found to be a great weight loss aid. One of its compounds is acetic acid, which helps reduce body weight, specifically targeting fat around the abdomen, waist, and legs. To benefit from this, just dissolve 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in water and take it preferably on an empty stomach. Diabetes. According to some research, adding apple cider vinegar to your diet can help control blood sugar levels. To achieve this benefit, combine the intake of apple cider vinegar with a balanced diet that's low in saturated fat, and remember to eliminate refined sugars. To fight diabetes, dilute 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water, and drink it before going to bed at night. Skin fungus. Apple cider vinegar is ideal for fighting a fungus known as Candida albicans, which in turn can cause skin infections. The acetic acid contained in apple cider vinegar can eliminate this fungus completely. Dissolve 2 or 3 cups of apple cider vinegar in a warm bath, and soak for 15 minutes. You can also mix 1 teaspoon of vinegar with a tablespoon of water and apply it directly onto the affected area. Joint problems. Apple cider vinegar is great for fighting arthritis and osteoarthritis. It helps reduce stress, pain, and discomfort that these conditions can cause. It is also useful for healing wounds, alleviating leg cramps, and more. Apple cider vinegar contains malic acid, which helps fight bacterial infections and dissolve uric acid deposits that form in the joints, causing pain. It's recommended to mix 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of warm water. You can optionally add a tablespoon of honey right before drinking it. Hair. Applying 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to damp hair is a great way to give it natural shine and stop dandruff. It helps control the pH of the scalp, relieves irritation, and is ideal for use on oily hair. However, be sure to only use it occasionally because it can cause itching and/or burning. Acne and skin blemishes. The antiseptic and antibacterial properties of apple cider vinegar are ideal for use in skin care. In the case of acne and other blemishes, it's highly effective in restoring the skin's natural acid balance, which can help prevent oily deposits and dryness of the skin. To use it, just make a lotion by combining equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water, and apply it directly onto the skin. At home. In addition to health and skin care, apple cider vinegar has many uses in the home as well, such as the following. You can make a spray with apple cider vinegar and put it on your windows, doors, and any other place where ants get into the house. This will stop them in their tracks. A dilution of apple cider vinegar and water is a great homemade repellent to keep on hand to prevent insect bites. Control flea infestations on pets in the house. You can add a little apple cider vinegar to the bath water for your pet, and also place a small bowl of apple cider vinegar in spots where fleas are likely to be found. Apple cider vinegar is a great cleaning and brightening agent. Simply dilute some vinegar in water and use a soft cloth to wipe surfaces with it. Apple cider vinegar is also ideal for cleaning kitchen utensils, as it's an excellent degreaser and disinfectant.